Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out together right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you're getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. This actually started a downtrend right from the top. First of all, I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend maker trading indicator. Okay, so it started a downtrend right from here, came to an end at the support zone, it went back on uptrend, got to this region, had a major pullback, but went back up to break out from the last high, and of course it has been going on since then. So this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, let's do that together. This is boom 500. It had been on downtrend for a very long time, but has not been able to break out from here, so it's going back on buy trend at the moment. So this is going to be more of an uptrend than a downtrend. That is, it's going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Let's check out crash 1000. This is crash 1000. It came down from this resistance zone to get to this region, went back to this region, and of course came back here, and of course it has been going up at the moment. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity also. Okay, and of course next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. This is crash 500. It has been selling since then, and of course it is still selling at the moment, even though it is at the support zone. If it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back into an uptrend. So this is still more of a downtrend or more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. However, you need to watch out for it. In case it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back on buy trend, so you need to watch out for that. Okay, next asset is going to be volatility 75. It went on a very strong uptrend but came to an end at this point. This is the beauty of the indicator. You can see it, you know when to buy and you know when to sell. Got to this region, sold for a while, but was unable to break out from this support zone, so it's when it pulled back a bit, but went back, came back down to break out below it to sell more. Okay, it has got into this support zone, it was unable to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on uptrend right now, so it is buying at the moment. So you guys should take note of that. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.